So for this, I went for a harder foreshortened pose, and so I chose this one from Pinterest. And for this one, I started out with a head, and to figure out how to position a body in this particular way, I started using boxes to form the shapes. I don't use boxes all the time, but for me, it's an easier way to figure out, especially with foreshortening. And sometimes, I use circles, but circles is sometimes harder to figure out. That's why the boxes are an easy method for me. And it's always easy to convey the working on the body by using circles and big shapes to figure out the positioning. That way you can get the pose right. And for the hand, I'll always use cylinders for the fingers to kind of figure out how to have the hand kind of like coming out at you. And sometimes an easier way of doing it is using boxes also. I may draw a box for each finger and try to use kind of like a 3D effect. That way you can kind of see it come out more. And also it'll make it a lot easier for shading. Now right now I'm targeting the line. I'm trying to add in those final details, darkening certain areas, adding the center line. Center line is always a helpful way for me to figure out when I'm drawing or doing the final details for the picture when I finalize and add the chest.